So with this wonderful calculator that Financial Joy School has, I would say, let's say a person wanted to ascertain 100,000. So I'll put 100,000 in this calculator. How much you going to start with, right? Say, I'm just going to say $150. At a 9.2% return, right? You can say this is generational wealth. Let's push this out, right? 15 years. All right. How long would it take me? So then I'll hit calculate. And then to reach $100,000, starting with $150, you will need to contribute $257.99 for 15 years every month. So I would say utilize this calculator that Financial Joy School has. So, right. So I will go to financialjoyschool.com, right? Hit an investment calculator and put in your numbers that you want to reach, right? You can put in whatever numbers. You guys can play with this. If it's 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, whatever it is, put that number and then put the number you will start with, put the amount of years and put the return rate and hit calculate. And this would do the work for you. And it'll tell you what you need to do. I hope that answers your question.
But can you please share what you say about just don't put enough in, put in all you
Oh yeah,
can
so
into the
Okay, I
market.
got one quick question. Looking at that calculation you just did, you said starting with 150, but you need to contribute 259. So how do you start at 150, but you contributed at 257?
So this is what you would start with. So say you started, you just started with $150. Then to reach your $100,000, right? You would need to contribute $257.99 every month in order to reach 100,000.
So that means I will need to open up a plan at 150, but somewhere along that month, I need to add until it comes to 257. So 150 starting means that's how I opened it up. But I need to continue to add to 257 to get to 100,000.
Correct.